Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop's web camera. To do it, first make sure that your web camera's shutter is open, then prepare a QR code on your phone or on the card. Then open the Start menu, open all devices, select Camera, then allow the camera access both your microphone and your camera, and then select the third option on the list, which is the scan barcode, and then make your QR code face your camera so that it can read it from your card or your phone screen. Click on the link that you see in the bottom of the window, and you'll get transferred to the resource you wanted to reach using this QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.